metal, almost see-through gearbox.
This is the current top of the Audi R8 range.
And an exhaust built to make lots of noise.
But a lot of the things that I love about this are things that were present and correct.
This is the second generation AMG GT, the company's new flagship. It embodies everything AMG fans know, love, and expect.
Supercars are famously temperamental, right? Actually, not all of them. Some can handle everyday life without breaking a sweat. In this video, we reveal the surprising models that defy the fragile stereotype, offering jaw-dropping performance alongside proven durability. How is that even possible, and which ones made the cut? Let's find out. Before we move on, I will like you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Number 1, Audi R8, V8 and V10. What if you could drive a supercar that shares its DNA with a Lamborghini, but doesn't require constant trips to the shop? That's the magic of the Audi R8. Powered by either a V8 or V10 engine, the R8 blends exotic performance with everyday usability. Its powerhouse engines share technology with the Lamborghini Gallardo, but unlike its Italian cousin, the R8 boasts outstanding reliability. Add in Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, and you get a car that handles like a dream in almost any condition. Owners consistently report high mileage without major issues, and it regularly lands on lists of the most reliable supercars. The Audi R8 proves you can enjoy thrilling speed without sacrificing dependability. No compromise needed. Now, let's talk longevity. Number 2, Porsche 911. Over 6 decades of evolution have turned the Porsche 911 into a masterpiece of both performance and reliability. The 997th and 991st generations exemplify this legacy, combining thrilling power with exceptional engineering. Their flat-six engines, known for their durability, are the heart of the 911's reliability. Paired with transmissions that stand up to years of hard shifts, these models are built to last. Surprisingly, the 911 doesn't just dominate on the track, it thrives in daily life. With a stellar reliability rating of 91 out of 100, it's earned a reputation as a do-it-all sports car, from grocery runs to road trips. Now, let's reveal a Japanese legend that's transformed innovation and dependability into an art form. Number 3, Acura NSX. The Acura NSX wasn't just Japan's first supercar, it was a revolution. The first generation redefined what exotic cars could be, pairing timeless design with Honda's legendary engineering. Its lightweight aluminum construction wasn't just for speed, it enhanced durability, allowing high-mileage examples to remain in excellent condition even decades later. Unlike many exotics, this was a car you could actually drive every day. Fast forward to the second generation, and innovation took a leap. Combining a twin-turbo V6 with 3 electric motors, the hybrid NSX delivers a balance of blistering performance and efficiency. And reliability? It stands out, defying the norm for hybrid supercars. The NSX proved a groundbreaking design doesn't have to sacrifice longevity. Up next, something equally unforgettable and musical. Number 4, Lexus LFA. The Lexus LFA wasn't just a car, it was a decade-long pursuit of perfection. Every detail reflects that obsessive craftsmanship. Its Yamaha-tuned V10 isn't just a marvel of engineering, it delivers one of the most thrilling engine notes ever created, revving to 9,000 RPM with precision. Built almost entirely from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, the LFA balances extreme performance with unparalleled structural integrity. With only 500 units ever made, each was hand-assembled to exacting standards, ensuring extraordinary reliability for an exotic supercar. Owners frequently report trouble-free experiences, and the drivetrain is famed for its resilience even under intense use. Over a decade later, this masterpiece continues proving that pushing limits doesn't mean sacrificing dependability. Now, let's explore an American legend. Number 5, Chevrolet Corvette C7Z06. When you think of American muscle, reliability isn't usually the first word that comes to mind. but the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 flips that narrative. At its core lies the supercharged LT4 V8 engine, pumping out an astounding 650 horsepower. It's not just about brute strength, though. The C7 Z06 features a lightweight aluminum frame, ensuring the kind of balance and agility you'd expect from far more expensive European exotics. This Corvette isn't simply a powerhouse, it's rock solid. With a stellar reliability score of 92 out of 100, it proves that high performance doesn't have to come at the cost of durability. Affordably priced compared to its competitors, the Z06 is a standout. Now meet a Japanese beast nicknamed Godzilla. Number 6. Nissan GTRR35. The Nissan GTR, better known as Godzilla, lives up to its legendary nickname. Beneath its hood snarls a twin turbocharged V6, delivering both monstrous power and surprising efficiency. Paired with one of the most advanced all-wheel drive systems ever engineered, the R35 doesn't just dominate on the track, it thrives on everyday roads. Drivers push this car hard, and yet, it keeps coming back for more. Since hitting the market in 2007, the R35 has gained a reputation for remarkable reliability, a rare feat for a supercar with this much raw performance. Long-term owners consistently report minimal issues, a testament to its enduring design. For enthusiasts seeking both jaw-dropping speed and dependability, this Japanese icon leaves little to question. Up next, true elegance, British crafted and unexpectedly robust. Number 7, Aston Martin Ferrari's 8 Vantage, post-2008 models. The Aston Martin 8 Vantage, especially the post-2008 models, is where British elegance meets enhanced resilience. These refreshed models introduced a more powerful V8 engine and updated electronics, addressing earlier reliability concerns. The result? A car that retains Aston Martin's signature thrill factor while earning a reputation for dependability. Owner reviews consistently highlight the upgrades, noting the noticeable improvements over pre-2008 versions. These changes weren't just cosmetic, they transformed the Vantage into a supercar you could genuinely enjoy without fretting over constant repairs. Its place on iLuso's list of reliable supercars underscores this shift, proving that luxury and practicality can coexist. Next, prepare to meet an Italian supercar that combines stunning design with an unexpected level of day-to-day usability. Number 8, Ferrari California, 2012 plus models. The Ferrari California, especially 2012 and later models, redefined what owning a Ferrari could mean. Known for being as comfortable as it is capable, it features a retractable hardtop that transforms from a weatherproof coupe to an open-air cruiser in seconds. Powered by a refined V8 engine, it balances thrilling performance with everyday usability, something rare in the Ferrari lineup. Build quality improvements in the 2012 Plus versions addressed issues common in earlier Ferraris, making the California a standout option for those seeking reliability. It's even earned praise for its lower maintenance costs compared to other prancing horses. With owners reporting fewer headaches, this model proved a Ferrari doesn't have to be finicky. And coming up next, a McLaren with unparalleled versatility. Number 9, McLaren 570S. The McLaren 570S isn't just about breathtaking speed. It's a rare blend of supercar performance and practicality. It features a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing over 550 horsepower, propelling it to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. What makes it special, though, is its accessible design. A lightweight carbon fiber monocoque keeps the car agile while improving durability, and its spacious windscreen provides excellent visibility, a rarity in this category. User-friendly features like a front lift system help navigate speed bumps, making daily driving less of a chore. Compared to earlier McLaren models, the 570S boasts improved reliability. positioning it as an entry point into the brand's high-performance lineup without sacrificing integrity. Next up, a German masterpiece showcasing precision at its finest. Number 10, MercedesAMG GT. The MercedesAMG GT offers an impressive mix of performance and reliability, firmly supported by German engineering. At its core is a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers up to 577 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain isn't just about speed, it's built for durability, making it as consistent as it is thrilling. The AMG GT accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, while its top speed reaches an exhilarating 198 miles per hour. But power isn't the whole story. Its robust build quality ensures it can handle both spirited drives and daily commutes with ease. Adding to its appeal, owners report surprisingly low maintenance costs compared to competitors. The AMG GT proves high performance doesn't require high hassle. These supercars prove one thing: performance and reliability aren't opposites. From Japan's groundbreaking NSX to Germany's precision-engineered AMG GT, each car on this list redefines what it means to own an exotic. Models like the Chevrolet Corvette C7Z06, with its reliability score of 92 out of 100, show that dependable engineering can still deliver incredible thrills. If you've ever wanted a supercar but hesitated over maintenance nightmares, these options might just change your mind. The question is, which of these would you trust to balance adrenaline-pumping speed with everyday dependability? Let us know. Your next reliable thrill machine might just be waiting.